This month's used boat feature is the Aquastar 38 Ocean Ranger, one of my all-time favourites. A good safe sea boat with high guardrails and wide side decks. Sharp entry bow, giving this boat legendary seakeeping. On shafts, of course, with Volvo KMD 44s producing 260 horsepower. This boat has the extra optional feature of a lot of teak capping. As you can see, it's been well looked after, and it really does complement the traditional styling of this sort of boat. Internally, very traditional, its layout, very nice, high gloss joinery. Looking at the saloon here, it has the traditional blue upholstery, teak flooring, the galleys in lovely condition, a typical sea-going galley where you can wedge yourself in between the worktops when underway. With a small 4-seater dinette opposite, which converts into a double bed if need be. Forward here we have the guest double cabin, a convertible V-berth. The guest heads, complete with shower. Going aft, we've got the main feature, the master aft cabin, complete with a very sizable ensuite heads for a boat of this size. Separate shower, as you can see. For sale with berth on at Lymington. Great example at a great price.